Okay, guys, so you're welcome back to Online Hustlers Academy. On this channel, I teach people how to make money online. My name is Richmond, and I teach people how to make money online, CPA marketing, affiliate marketing, anything related to making money online. So if you're new, kindly subscribe. And today's video, what I'm going to show you guys is the reason why your offers are not converting on your CPA marketing platform. So most of you have tried CPA Self Clicking, but it's not converting. These are the reasons why your offers are not converting. So stick with me and don't forget to comment down below all your questions. I'll be there to answer you right after this, right after I receive your comment in the comment section. So you can see most of people are making money online. So you can see these people have made over $100,000 on this platform, and you can see people are making money online with this platform. So this platform is legitimately legit, yes. So you can join. It's completely free. You don't have to pay for anything. So the reason why your offers are not converting, what you need to do, the truth about self-clicking is that you need to focus on certain things before you try self-clicking on certain platform. And certain platforms, sometimes it depends on your network before your offers will convert. It depends on your network, and the machine with RAM 4 gig RAM is different from the power of that machine is different from a system unit or a machine with RAM 8. Yeah, so you can see my machine, the RAM of my machine. You can see over here that it's very it's 8 gig RAM. You can see over here it's 8 gig RAM. You can see over here being over here. So the speed of this machine is different from that of 4 gig RAM. So sometimes the network it depends on the network before your offers will convert. And one thing about CP self-clicking is that sometimes you need to focus on the recent added offers. Yes, you need to focus on this offers. This means that people who posted this offers on this platform are not ready to track, or they are, even though when they are, if they are tracking, they are not focusing on that. It's just they have been just added to the platform. So when you try to convert on that, it's easy for you to convert, very easy, and make money with self-clicking. So you can see this offer is paying you $20 per 0.53 cents, and you can see this is paying you 13 cents, $13.69. You can see this offer is available in Luxembourg, and this is available in Switzerland. So you can see over here that these are the top performing offers. So what you need to focus on, the top performing offers, is the percentage over here that says net performance. So this 100% net performance, that means it's easy for you to convert than picking an offer of 65%. That means it will be very hard for you to convert on this platform offer than this. So when you try this and your network is very good, that means you're going to make $4.79 as easy as that. And if you try to convert on this offers that says 69, the person who is trying to with a 100% one will make money easier than you trying to convert on this 72 or 68% offer. Yes, so that's how these things work on the CPA platform. So most CPA marketers are not telling you this truth. Yes, these are the truth, the reason why your offers are not converting. So you must try go with any of these offers, and somebody may try with the 100% offer, and the 100% offer will convert very easy than this offers over here, because the percentage is not up to 100%. So it's not easy for you to convert on this platform offers on this platform. So when you want to try to convert on offers like this, all you need to do is to go with the offers that are 100% or that are above 90%. That means it's going to be very easy for you to convert on these platforms than going for choosing any random offer. So let's move on to the offer to section where you can find this and move to offer my offers and go straight to this point where it says so you may choose your locality very straight. So right now let me change the locality to top performing countries or the top tier countries. So you can see over here this offer is performing with 62% and this one is 50% and this one is 44%. That means when I decide to convert on this platform or this offers, it's going to convert, but it's going to be very hard for me to convert. And you can see it's mobile install over here. So somebody from the United States needs to install this app before you can make money on that. So when you want to make money with these platforms, make sure you go for the mobile install, or you can choose to go for the pin and email submit if you have this if you have the require or the details that you can use to make to perform these tasks on this platform. So these are the reasons why your offers are not converting. So you can choose to go by the pin submit or credit card, but as for the credit card, most people are afraid to submit their credit cards, and before you can convert on these offers you must be in the country to get their visa card to or enter the details uh, on the p- payment details side where you must enter these details so that the offer will convert for you. And it's easy, it's very hard for you to get these offers, and you can see over here. Yes, so we can move from this country to another country where it says Australia. So Australia, there is no offer that is performing right now. You can see over here they are all at 19%, and sometimes you need to focus on this. Let me move out to United States. The reason why most offers are not converting. Let me move back to the uh, United States offers, and as you can see over here, net performance. You can see United States. So my machine is refreshing. Let's wait for you to load. So guys, if you like what I'm showing you right now, don't forget to smash on the like button, subscribe to the channel and like the video as well, and comment down below of your questions, and I'll be there to answer you right after I receive your comments. Right, so as you can see, the right next thing that you need to focus is to go for the EPC with 0.1%. Yes, you must go for that. Don't go below 1, and don't go sometimes the above 1 2 works, but you must go for the APC of 0.1%, 10%. That's very good offer for you as a beginner. So if you want to convert on self-clicking methods, these are the rules that you need to focus on. These are the things, the basic things you need to focus. So the first thing is that you need to go to the dashboard section right here, and what you need to do is to focus on the new recently added offers and top performing offers that are above 90% conversion rate. That's how you are going to make money with this platform. And don't forget to focus on the countries that these offers are available. So you might use a VPN, but don't forget to go for the country that the offer is available at that countryside. So you must choose that country and try with that. And don't forget to even sometimes upgrade your VPN to pro version. So I'll leave a description, a link in the description below so that you can purchase some of the pro VPNs. It's super easy. Don't forget to click on that and then do your purchase, and drop down your comments, and I'll see you in my next video. So guys, These are the basic things that you need to focus on that. And this is my channel here. My name is Richmond, and don't forget, you're welcome back to Online Access Academy. So like the video as well, comment down below your questions, and click on the subscribe button, and don't forget to like the video and subscribe. Yes, so until I see my next video, don't forget that I do love you guys. Bye bye for now, and see you in my next video. Stay safe and peace out.